To find online arbitrage products to sell on Amazon, you have two options. Either you start looking at sales on online websites and try to find discounted products, or you are going to look through another seller doing online arbitrage storefront to try to find their source and try to buy the products at the same place that they actually bought it at. So for the first option, I have a product that is called the Daily Target List. It's a list of sales that my VA go through, actually build every single day, and they can actually send this to your email inbox for like $1 a day. You can try it for $1. You go to oalist.com, oalist.com. You can subscribe for $1, try it for $1 and see, right? So pretty much this method is just going through all the sales that are on today, and there's a lot of sales today because it's Q4, we are getting closer to the holidays. So for example, go to this Urban Outfitter sale and try to find products to sell on Amazon. So we want to stick with main brands, with well-known brands, right? And not really like unknown brands that are right here, but they may have some other brands like Nike or Adidas or whatever in this sale. So we are going to look at it, try to find a well-known brand such as maybe Steve Madden, right? And then look at these on Amazon, try to find them. So Steve Madden, Exotica High Heel, for example. Try to look for it and see if we get it. Yeah, for example, right there, we have it. Here we go. Try to find them. So we will not source this one, but we're just going to use it for an example because they send IP alerts and we get them for, okay, so we get them for 120. So it's not going to be profitable. But this is how you would do it. This is the process that you will need to go through, and then you will need to go through all the wholesale. Now, the other way to do it is to find somebody that is doing online arbitrage and look at their storefront. So, for example, yesterday we looked at the Nike 3-inch, this one, right? Yeah, right there. We looked at this one, and Nike is a brand that we know people are doing online arbitrage, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to start from here, right? We are going to scroll down on Seller Amp and try to find a seller to look at, right? So we have this guy called Play-Doh whatever, and we're going to go through his storefront, all right? So he sells a couple of products that we can pretty much look for. So for example, these Dickies Genuine Men 5-pair crew socks, right? So some socks from Dickies. So we are going to look at them on Amazon, on Google, try to find them. And here we go. We're supposed to find them at $7. You can buy them for $10.39 on Menards.com. So yeah, for $9.25. We can get them for $9.25. Here we go. Is it the same one? Yeah, it's the same one. All right. $9.25. And so we would buy them for $9.25, sell them for $21.97, and we would make $1 profit per pair. So this is, and we can probably sell them for a little bit more money. I'm not going to lie. We can probably sell them for $24.99. And here we go. So we would make $3.52 profit. So this is how you find profitable online arbitrage products. If you want if you want an ebook, a full course to teach you how to find them consistently, you can go to masteroa.com. Here we go. You go to masteroa.com. It's my ebook that will teach you how to do this. It's 100% free. And if you want somebody to send you, if you want help with sourcing, you can get my list. Okay, on oalist.com. Check these two websites, check the offer, get the ebook for free. Then if you want to try the target list, I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. My name is Chris Mangunza, and I release daily videos about selling on Amazon. Thank you.